Most traders see unusual options flow but have no idea what's actually worth trading. So, how do you separate the noise from the money making plays? Today, I'll show you exactly how I spotted two massive trades, BABA and NVDA, using Ghostboard's Flow AI. One paid over 100% and the other paid 60%. Stay tuned because I'll be breaking down these two trades in detail and show you how you can catch the next one. Here's the biggest mistake traders make with Flow. They see huge call or put activity and assume it's a guaranteed trade. Most options order flow is just noise if it does not have any consistent repeat activity. What matters the most is the context. Are they buying short-term out-the-money contracts repeatedly, aiming for a shift in this trend? Is there some big news coming out on the stock? And what is the overall market doing? That is exactly why I built Ghostboard Dashboard, to filter the nonsense and highlight the flow that actually moves the market. And the best part, you don't need any advanced options flow experience. There is no guessing involved, and you're able to track in real time which stocks smart money is flowing into. Now, let me show you exactly how we used it to catch these two huge trades today. Let's talk about BABA. In the pre-market, we covered that this stock was consolidating for 4 weeks, building up energy for a huge breakout. This is an amazing setup on the daily and weekly time frame. Then, 15 minutes after the market opened, we see unusual options flow activity hitting the dashboard for BABA. And this isn't just any regular options flow. This was repeat activity coming in from institutions and smart money whales who were expecting a large move on BABA today. When smart money steps in like this, it's a flashing green light. I posted this exact flow alert into multiple communities and even called it out in the Ghostboard Discord. Shortly after, BABA exploded and paid over 100% on this trade. If you tuned into the pre-market live and you knew that BABA was our top pick of this week after the 4-week consolidation period, and you tracked options whales on Ghostboard Dashboard, you would see that this is an easy win. Now, let's talk about NVDA. While SPY and the Qs were pushing higher, NVDA was lagging behind and showing relative weakness. That's a red flag. We discussed in the live chat that NVIDIA was one of the few stocks that were showing aggressive weakness today while the rest of the market was trying to push higher. Then we spotted something even more unusual. Heavy put flow activity stacking up across multiple different strikes and expirations. This was a clear signal that institutions were quietly positioning for a downside move. So again, I shared this across the Ghostboard Discord community and another few communities that are using Ghostboard Dashboard. NVIDIA tanked and pulled the rest of the market down with it, a clean textbook divergence. This Flow AI alert returned up to 60% gains off of this trade alone. Now here's the best part. You don't have to do any of the hard work by yourself. Ghostboard Flow AI does this for you. It provides real-time alerts on unusual options flow activity, high conviction trades, a live dashboard where you can track where institutions and smart money are flowing into in terms of stocks and price targets. And best of all, flow experts like myself call out the high probability setups, so even if you're new, you can follow along and learn. If you've been struggling to find actionable trades, this is your solution. No more guessing, no more wasted hours analyzing charts and finding your own levels. Just look at Ghostboard Dashboard to help you find exactly where smart money is flowing into and show you where to look. If you're ignoring the dashboard or if you're ignoring these actionable alerts that I'm putting out every single day, you're leaving money on the table. Institutions and smart money is making profitable trades every single day. You just have to follow along by tracking them. So if you want to start tracking smart money and institutions, you can get access to Ghostboard for 7 days free trial by clicking the link in the description below. I'll also put up a limited time 30% discount code which you can apply if you stuck around to the end of this video. And if you're new here, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to this channel.